Hey guys, I've had a lot of requests lately to show some of my favorite plants that I like to use with the notchless or the no notch method, one of which I'm going to demonstrate here in a little while. Um, let's see, I don't have like a top 5 or so plants to use. There are quite a few that I can use, but I've chosen 4 that are just everywhere and in great abundance, and probably even where you live as well. At least I should hope they would be. And they grow in a large area of the United States and probably around the world. One of them in particular is elderberry. Now, this is one plant that I like to use quite frequently, and you can find it everywhere. That's a good plant. I'm going to actually demonstrate this one at the end of the video. Teasel is another one. Usually you'll see this one, it'll have little barbs all over it. Kind of thorny. Horseweed is a fantastic one. I'm sure you guys know what that is. There's a look at the ends. And of course, goldenrod. These are actually probably, I'd say amongst some of the best ones to use with this. I've gotten others to work with it as well. Mullein, I've gotten it to work with it. What I'll do in time is I'll just demonstrate later on down the road with some of the other plants that I've used with this method. But these, you can find them on my channel, and I will put links in the description, I guess you could say, to other plants that I've used, and you'll get to see those. But I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the elderberry because I don't think I've demonstrated that for people here before. I may have. I don't know I haven't. So I'll do that in a moment. But these are my, I guess you could say, some of my favorites, but not, I can't say top 5. I don't have a top 5. One other thing, guys, and I forgot to mention this, as far as like Hearth boards, you know what your fireboard is going to be. If you're new to this, I recommend like softer woods. I can get it to work on hardwoods, and hardwoods, they actually just last longer for me. It's just that I think in the beginning it's probably easier for you with softer wood. So go with something like a willow, cedar, poplar, cottonwood, and I think I've said this before elsewhere on my channel, but trumpet vine creeper. That would probably be about the easiest one. I think I can stare hard at it and probably get it to smoke. But I mean, just experiment with it and see what works for you. But I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate with elderberry so you guys can see that one. I don't think I've ever actually demonstrated that one on my channel before with the notchless hand drill method.